Morning students. Today we are going to start types of chemical reactions which are included in our chapter chemical reactions and equations. Here the first type of reaction is combination reaction. First one is combination reaction, in which, as the name suggests, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Like here is the reactants. They combine to form a single product. We can take the example hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. Two reactants combine to form one product. We can take another example. Calcium oxide combines with water to form calcium hydroxide, and lot of heat is produced. Students, in a reaction, when lot of heat is evolved or produced, it is also known as exothermic reaction. It is also known as exothermic reaction. So in combination, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Now the second type of reaction is, it is decomposition reaction, which is opposite to the combination reaction. Why opposite? Because in decomposition reaction, one reactant is converted into two or more products. One reactant is converted into two or more products. Like we will take the example of water. When we pass electric current from the water, it is converted into, we will get hydrogen and oxygen. It is opposite to the combination reaction, in which hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, and in decomposition, water is converted into hydrogen and oxygen. We can take another example, in which we can take the example of calcium carbonate. If we will heat calcium carbonate, it will give us calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. If we have passed heat, then this is known as thermal decomposition. It is known as thermal decomposition. First was electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition, and second is thermal decomposition. Now we will take the third type of decomposition reaction. That is, if we take the example, we take silver chloride and we will put in sunlight for a few time, we will get silver and chlorine gas. This is known as photolytic. Decomposition. Now these are the two types of reactions, combination, and other one is decomposition reaction. Now the third type of chemical reaction is displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal. The condition is, the metal which is going to displace the other should be more reactive. Like we take example, A is more reactive than B, which is form compound with C. We will see A will combine with C and it will displace B. Reason is, A is more reactive than B. You have to mention it, this metal should be more reactive. We take the example of iron. If we will put in the solution of copper sulfate, which is blue in color, we will see iron will combine with sulfate and it will displace copper, because iron is more reactive than copper. We have seen this concept in our reactivity series. It is more reactive than copper. That's why it displaced copper from copper sulfate. And solution of this color will change to light green, because ferrous sulfate is light green in color. So here is displacement reaction, in which more reactive metal will displace the lesser reactive metal. Now we will take the last fourth type of reaction, that is double displacement reaction. That is double displacement reaction. Now in double displacement reaction, the displacement will done twice. It will done 2 times. In this reaction, two compounds react with each other. The two compounds react with each other and exchange their ions to form two new other compounds. They exchange their ions to form two new compounds like this. A will combine with D and B will C. We will have AD and BC because they have exchanged their ions. We can take the example of silver nitrate when silver nitrate is combined with sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a common salt. Now we will see silver will combine with chloride. We will get silver chloride and sodium nitrate. We will get silver chloride and sodium nitrate. We can put ions here. Now we see, I repeat, in double displacement reaction, two compounds exchange their ions to form two other new compounds. Right? This is double displacement reaction. We discuss combination reaction in which two or more than two reactants combine to form a single product. And second was decomposition, which was opposite to the combination reaction, in which one reactant get converted into two or more products. Third was displacement reaction, in which one more reactive metal displaces the other less reactive metal. And fourth was double displacement reaction, in which two or more compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.